was that sound? Look, the plate is broken. It's shattered. Mimi, did you do this again? Oh no, Mimi does not look well. Maybe Mimi is hungry. Oh my God! Mimi loves this food! Haha! Mimi always runs here when she hears the food bag. Haha! Mimi is so greedy! Oh no, this is not normal. Maybe Mimi is just bored. Hey, let's get Mimi's toys and play with the cat. Look, Mimi, this is your favorite bell. Mimi, catch the ball I throw. Come on, Mimi, let's play. Oh no, Mimi does not want to play. Maybe this music can make Mimi happy. Oh, this is really strange. Ben, turn off the music. Okay. I take medicine when I feel sick. Maybe this can help Mimi feel better. Wait, Ben, do not give that to Mimi. Why not? Vitamins are good for health. No, that could hurt the cat. I just want to help Mimi. Let's stop fighting. We need to help Mimi get better. But what should we do now? I think I know the problem. Maybe Mimi needs more air. Phew! Hey! This will help Mimi feel better. Do you feel better now, Mimi? Oh, that did not work. Oh no, Mimi still looks very sick. I do not like this at all. I am sorry, Mimi. Maybe I did not take good care of you. Wait, I just noticed something. Mimi always goes near the trash can. Really? Why does Mimi keep doing that? Maybe Mimi likes the trash can. Ha! Maybe Mimi wants to stay in here. Oh no, Ben, do not do that. That is the strangest idea today.
What happened here?
Mom, Mimi has been weird since this morning. Mimi does not want food or toys.
Oh no, Mimi does not look well. We need to take Mimi to the vet right now.
I think he'll be fine. Let's hope so.
Did Mimi eat any bad food?
No, we do not know. Wait, Mimi kept going near the trash can.
Oh, I remember now. I put some old fish and old meat in the trash can. Haha, I know why. Mimi is not very sick. She ate bad food.
What?
Now Mimi has a stomachache. So Mimi is tired and doesn't want food. She also wants to throw up.
Oh, thank goodness. I am so happy you will be okay, Mimi. Look, Mimi is back to normal.
Mimi looks much better now.
Oh no, my flowers! Mimi, I made that yesterday.
Haha, Mimi is feeling better now. This is not funny.
Let's start today's lesson. Read the words with me. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Hungry means you want to eat food. Greedy, greedy, greedy. Greedy means you want too much something and you do not want to share. Strange, strange, strange. Strange means something not normal and you do not know it. Tired, tired, tired. Tired means you have no energy and you want to rest or sleep. Normal, normal, normal. Normal means something is usual, every day. Funny, funny, funny. Funny means something makes you laugh or smile. Read again. Hungry, greedy, strange, tired, normal, funny. Remember to study every day to learn the words. Open it! Look at the cat! Watch this! Oh, get it! Stop it, Mimi! Lulu and Mimi hate each other. How can they be friends? Watch the next episode. Do you like this video? Like, share, and subscribe to see more fun videos.